How to fix hide photos option missing in iPhone. So go ahead and open your Photos application, and as you can see, there is no hidden photos section in here. And if this is your problem, what you want to do is open Settings, scroll down and click on Photos. In this page, you will find the setting for iCloud, for shared albums, for passcode if ever you want to lock your albums, and below that is the toggle for hidden album. Make sure to turn this on to be able to see your hidden photos. Now go back to the Photos application, and once you scroll down to the very bottom of this page, you can now see the hidden photos under the Utility tab. So that is how to fix hide photos option missing in iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.